welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys where to find the arcane pickaxe in the forge. And let's get straight into the video. So this is currently where the arcane pickaxe is. It is in the first world, but in order to actually open this gate right here, what you need to do is you need to complete the bard's quest, and you can find the bard in the starting area. He's going to ask you to find his guitar. So I'll quickly go over to show you where the quest actually is, and then once you actually enable the quest, or once you start the quest, I'll show you where to find the guitar. But anyways, the bard is over there right on my cursor. Once you talk to him, you have the quest. Go down over here, go down into the cave, make a left, and then go into these bushes right here, and then the bard is going to, or the guitar is going to be right here where I'm standing. Once you find it, go back to the bard, give him the guitar, and he's going to give you a key. Once you get the key, you guys can go ahead and make your way over to the right side of the cave in the first world. Make your way over to this area right here. That is where the gate should be. As you can see, the gate has been lifted already. Anyways, you will have the key once you give the guitar back to the bard, and then once you have the key, you can open up this gate, make your way over to your arcane pickaxe, and then you guys will be able to purchase it from here. So yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.